Okay, the next item on the checklist is your switch housing screw torque. They want you to check that at every routine maintenance. So 35 to 45 inch-pounds. I got mine set at 35. I don't want to strip out this little screw. So there's one here and one down here. Same thing on the other side. Pretty straightforward. T25. Probably not too high aware of an item, but it's something they want you to check. So we're just, like I said, we're going down the list. We're doing it all. Especially if somebody's been in there, which they have, because somebody put aftermarket bars on this bike, so we're basically checking his work. Okay, let's move on to the next procedure.